what's up, guys? Today we're going to...
Gawa kayo video, biyan ko no.
I didn't see naman. So, I'm the seeker, they're the hider. I will count 1 to 10, guys. So, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ay, sige. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Let's find them, guys. Where's Ben? And Ate Inyang. Where's Ben? Hello. Boom! It's funny. We're outside, guys. Hey, come out here! Ah, si Ate Inyang naman tayo.
Mali pa yung pagkabili ng pagkapas, mas para siya mas
We're going to hide. And what's your name again? Young.
Yang high school ka na dyan?
Come on, let's hide. Game!
Galit ang kapatid mo!
I follow baby. Come there. Be quiet. Be quiet. Ay, why did you close? Don't close. Be quiet. Be quiet. She's right there, guys. Solo. Now. What do you? Wait, please stay there. There's Ate Inyang. Nasa. Oh, taya na ako. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Bilis mo magbilang.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not? Here I come. Where are they? Where is?
Ano yan? Salted?
Where's
Wala pang play ba
Sixel?
to? Play pa lang yan.
Ano tinikpan niya sa plate?
Ben! They're not here. Did you see them?
Hindi, bakit? Uwi natin.
Where are they? Save!
Wala, di ko nagawa sana ka. Kaya ka ba? Magpupanas ka ng pamabin.
Iba na lang ang laruin natin.
Nakit ko pa.
Hindi, ano na lang.
Ano ba?
Tago-taguan na muna.
Mami, walang matitirang play.
Ano ba naman?
So that's it for today, guys. See you later.